Alrighty guys, so in this section we're going to continue answering these questions. The data is all in Metabase very cleanly, um, just as we did in the previous video. So let's really look at this question. Please identify 5 traffic sources that exceeded the target quality. A traffic source is a sub-publisher. Alright, so we grouped the data according to sub-publishers. We counted the amount of deposits. There's one other important data point that we have to look at, which is I think the amount of people that registered, and we'll do that in a moment. For now, let's just count the sum of deposits per sub publishers. And the thing is, now the data is not ordered correctly. We want to group it according to the sum. So I'm going to go into the actual question over here. Within the question, I'm just going to order the data according to the sum of deposits. So let's do that now. One moment. Looks like we need to wait for the data to load. Okay. 1 second. I go into settings, just checking whether it's possible that Metabase went to sleep while I was away from the computer. So we do have to wait a moment. 1 sec. Meanwhile, we'll also open up some of the data and start thinking through the rest of the questions. Please identify 5 traffic sources that did not hit the target quality. Okay. I think ordering the sum of deposits and the sum of registrations will help us in these 2 questions. And question 3, did you see anything interesting in the data that can help you understand user behavior and focus your campaign targeting for better performance? Okay. We're in the activity. Metabase has this activity table, which is very helpful, which shows me all the activity that all the different Metabase users have done. Okay, cool. So now I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to press Open Editor here, where sum is greater than 0. I'm going to do the SQL command, order by sum descending. Okay. Okay, and that's gonna order all the data. Okay, cool. So best performance was by this publisher. They want the top 5 sub publishers with the best performance. So I'm gonna go. I want to just copy paste that into my Google Doc. I'm gonna go ahead and press. Let's see, data. How do I want to display it? I don't want to display it as a bar chart. I just want it as a table. That way I can copy paste. Alright, so this table, I already have 71 deposits. This sub-publisher, 21 deposits. Okay. This guy, 21 deposits. Alright, so as you can see, once the data is in Metabase, it's so much easier to answer these questions. Alright, let me bring this to the left. This sub-publisher, 14 deposits. Okay. Okay. This guy, 13. And just, okay. 13 deposits. And this guy over here with 10 deposits. Okay. 10 deposits. Alright, perfect. So everything is all good here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Remove the underline. Okay. Cool. So that's that. That takes care of that. Question 2. Please identify 5 traffic sources that did not hit the target quality. Okay, just to clarify that this is the answer. I'm going to turn this into red. Okay. 5 publishers that did not hit the target quality. That's really easy. All we need to do is just do sum equals 0. So find me the sub-publishers where the sum of deposits was 0. And we can just, again, copy-paste these 5 over here. I'll paste it into there to remove the formatting. Oh, nice. So, guys, Control-C and Control-V. Okay. Okay, great. Cool. I'm going to make that all red again. Text color is going to be red. I'm going to bring it there. Okay. These 5 sub-publishers had 0 deposits. All right. Let's see. We could go a little bit deeper into that, and maybe we'll do that in a little bit later. 0 deposits, Control Z, Control C. We could count up the amount of clicks also per sub-publisher, and then count the amount of deposits. Let's see. Can we do that here? Where some count. Maybe we could do select all. Select count of all. Count the amount of the amount of records from that sub-publisher, and also count the amount of deposits. Let's see if that gives us any interesting information there. The count as let's see, as number of clicks. Okay, cool. Let's count the number of clicks per sub-publisher, and then instead of ordering it by the sum, I'm going to order this by the number of clicks. Order by num of clicks. Metabase already gives it. Descending. Okay. I think that this is the easiest way. This is right, because the target quality. I think this is a better 5. Because this query over here, and I'm actually going to save this as question 2. And now, right, I've taken this SQL, I've edited it a little bit, and it's given me an answer to question number 2. So I want to save this format of the SQL query as question 2. So I'm going to go ahead and press save here. And I'm going to, do I want to replace the original question? No. The original question has the answer to question 1, so I want to keep it. But I do want to create an insight for question 2. What am I going to call this? I'm going to call this question 2. Number of clicks per sub-publisher. I'm just going to save it as underperforming sub-publishers, right? Sub-publishers. Okay, cool. And again, this time I do want to add it to my dashboard. The startup dashboard, start app assignment. All right, make sure that it spreads the entire way. Really cool. The number of clicks in the sub-publisher that had 0 deposits. Okay, cool. Save. Nice. Let's see over here. And yeah, that's pretty much that. And let's go back into my question over here. You know what? Let's delete this over here because it's not as helpful. Okay, remove that. I'm going to go into this question over here. Let's see, what do I want? I want these top 5 underperforming sources. Okay. See, go in here. Okay, cool. All right, good enough. 5 traffic sources. Let's see. And I just need to verify. Number of clicks per sub-publisher with 0 deposits. Okay. Sounds good. I think that's pretty good. In the next section, we're going to continue with the next one. Let's see what it says in the question. Do you see anything interesting in the data that can help you understand user behavior and focus your campaign targeting for better performance moving forward? We can dig a little bit deeper over here. I think what we really want is the conversion rate over here, meaning how many clicks did we get per sub-publisher, and how many deposits, how many registrations did we get per sub-publisher, and what was the conversion rate, because that's the most important. So in the next question, we're going to dig deeper into the data, try to answer the rest of the questions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.